Hello there, let me show you how to use vocal shortcuts with iOS 18 on this iPhone 15. Let's get started. So this is really great feature if you want to perform some actions just with the help of your voice. For this we will need to open settings. Here search for the accessibility tab, and then in the section of speech we can see the vocal shortcuts. So as a first step we need to set it up. Just tap the blue button, then tap continue, and now select an action. For example, I want to camera be open with the help of my voice. Now we need to select custom phrase. Let it be open the camera. And now after this we'll need to say this phrase for 3 times for the phone to recognize our voice. So let's do it. Open the camera. Open the camera. Open the camera. And we are all set. We just need to tap this continue button, and now let's test it. Open the camera. And the camera opens, but it does not work really fast and correctly, so sometimes you just need to repeat this phrase once more. So let's test it. Open the camera. Open the camera. And this is how it works. You can set another action if you want and choose another phrase. If you want to delete it, just simply go in the edit mode and here delete this phrase. And that's it. I hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.